Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial machines, showcasing 300 of the most impressive pieces of equipment operating at peak efficiency. From advanced manufacturing robots to massive construction machinery, these machines represent the cutting edge of industrial technology and performance. Let's get started. First, let's look at some of the most advanced manufacturing robots. IRB 6700. Known for its high precision and flexibility, this robot is used in various manufacturing processes. KUKA KR Agilis. This small yet powerful robot excels in high-speed assembly tasks. FANUC M2000EA. Capable of lifting heavy loads with extreme accuracy, it's a favorite in the automotive industry. Yaskawa Motoman MH24. This versatile robot is designed for welding, assembly, and material handling. Universal Robots R10E. Known for its ease of programming and safety features, it's ideal for collaborative work. Next up, we have some of the most impressive construction machinery. Caterpillar 6090 FS. A giant hydraulic mining shovel designed for the toughest excavation tasks. Komatsu PC80006. With its massive bucket capacity, it's built for heavy-duty mining operations. Liebherr R9800. One of the largest excavators, combining extraordinary performance with cutting-edge technology. Hitachi X80006. This powerful machine is used in some of the largest mining projects around the world. EC950F. Known for its strength and stability, this excavator handles the most demanding tasks. Now, let's explore some high-tech milling machines. DMG Mori DMU200P. This machine offers high precision and efficiency in complex milling operations. Haas VF640. Known for its reliability and versatility, it's a staple in many manufacturing facilities. Mazik VCN530C. Combining speed with precision, this milling machine is used for high-quality machining. Akuma MB8000H. This high-performance machine offers excellent accuracy for complex parts. Doosan DNM 6700. Known for its robust design and precision, it's ideal for a wide range of milling tasks. Here are some of the most powerful industrial cranes. Liebherr LTM11200-9.1. Capable of lifting up to 1,200 tons, this mobile crane is a powerhouse in heavy lifting. Manitowoc 31000. Known for its exceptional lifting capacity, it's used in large-scale construction projects. CC88001. This crane is designed for extreme lifting tasks and is valued at about $15 million. The MAG CC8800-1 Twin. Featuring dual cranes for maximum lifting power, it handles the heaviest loads with ease. XCMGXGC88000. A giant crawler crane known for its extraordinary capabilities and efficiency. Let's check out some innovative packaging machines. Tetra Pak A3 Flex. Known for its versatility and efficiency, it's used in the food and beverage industry. Bosch SVE 2520DZ. This high-speed vertical form, fill, and seal machine offers exceptional performance. Ishida AirScan. A revolutionary leak detection system for MAP products, ensuring product safety and quality. Contiform 3 Pro, an advanced blow molding machine used in beverage packaging. Multivac R245. Known for its flexibility and efficiency, it's used in various packaging applications. Now, let's explore some high-efficiency printing machines. Heidelberg Speedmaster XL106. Known for its speed and precision, it's a leader in commercial printing. Komori Lithrone G40. This offset printing press offers high quality and efficiency. Canon Image Press C1000VP. Designed for high volume production, it delivers outstanding print quality. HP Indigo 12000. Known for its versatility and color accuracy, it's a top choice in digital printing. Ricoh Pro C9200. This machine combines speed with high-quality output, ideal for commercial printing. Finally, let's check out some cutting-edge CNC machines. Haas UMC 750. A versatile 5-axis CNC machine known for its precision and efficiency. DMG Moricom X1100D. This machine offers high-performance machining with advanced features. Mazik Integrex i300S. Combining turning and milling, it offers exceptional versatility. Akuma MU8000V. A high-performance CNC machine designed for complex parts. Doosan Puma MX2600ST. Known for its robust design and precision, it's ideal for high-precision tasks. These 300 machines represent the cutting edge of industrial technology, showcasing peak efficiency and advanced capabilities. If you enjoyed this look at the world's most impressive industrial machines, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.